Our cyclohexane model is shown in the chair conformation. Pick it up holding the atoms to the right and left of the central atom and do a chair boat flip. This might take a bit of practice initially, but the magnets are strong enough to hold the model together. You will notice several things. The model offers resistance in the chair conformation, which represents the lowest and stablest energy state. In the boat conformation, you can manipulate the model into an infinite number of twist boat shapes with little resistance as it seeks the lower stable energy state. Now let's add some hydrogen and halogen atoms to the axial and equatorial positions. 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom for the axials, and 6 around the sides for the equatorial positions. Now, as before, hold the model with the 2 other ones and do a chair boat flip. And the first thing you'll see is the hydrogen halogen atom in opposition, which shows steric hindrance. This demonstrates the unstable energy state, which is restored once you flip the model back into the chair conformation.